Hey guys, so I'm back at another YouTube video. Once again, I know it's been a long time, but I'm back at another YouTube video. And today, I'm in my kitchen. I'm in my kitchen because it might get a little messy today. Might get a little messy today because as you can see by the title and the, what is it called? I don't know, I forgot. But as you can see by the title, it's about to get messy. So, yeah. It's about to get messy because by the title, like I said before, I'm about to be making slime. I made it 2 times before and it was good. It was good. So I already have the glue on the plate. Have it on the plate. And yeah, I'll be right back from getting the Tide because I'm using glue and Tide and not food coloring, not paint, but let me check real quick what it's called. I'll be right back. So I got the name of it, and the name of it is lip gloss. I'm gonna be using pink lip gloss. I made blue slime, purple slime, and now I'm about to make pink slime. So yeah, let me get the Tide and I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I'm back. Got the Tide, got the glue, got the lipstick, and yeah, I'm trying to do like a thumbprint thing. So yeah, for the the page, and yeah, so I'm about to take a little bit of time. I got this from the 99-cent store, so it's really cheap. I forgot it's called the 99-cent store. So you're gonna even take like inside of the cups. It says like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're not even gonna do one whole because that's too much. You're just gonna take like until the whole thing get like the whole bottom gets full of Tide, and you're just gonna. Let me give me a spoon. I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I have a straw, and like once you like go like that, it starts to get slime, like the slime texture. So I'm just gonna take guys like this. And you can see right here, it's starting to form slime. And if you have too much Tide, you could always add more glue.